हाय गाइस, आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी एनआईटी की फूड क्वालिटी। तो देखते हैं हमारे एनआईटी में कैसा फूड मिलता है। चलो दिखाते हैं, लेट्स गो गाइस। हाँ बताइए, खाना कैसा है बताइए।
The food is good. The previous vendor who was there was not given us that much good food, but this food quality is good. Today's chicken is made and it's quite delicious. We can say.
She is Andhra and tell me something about food.
And subscribe to our channel. Hey, talk about the food. Food is good. Really. Food is good.
Nice.
Yeah, it's so good.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, thank you.